Okay, what's next? So, both of you are going to get 10 goldfish, and both of you are going to get 10 goldfish, okay? So, help me count. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.
So this is a 10 for both of you. Now let's do your 10.
2,
3,
4, 5, 6,
6,
7,
8,
8,
9, 10. Now,
What about here?
me, I'm going to help both of you. So, you each have 10. How can you make it so both of you get an even amount from this 10? And how can, show me how you guys can share it so it's an even amount.
Hello.
Make sure you have the same, and you two do it over here. Work
I
together
got less.
and figure out a way.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So, let's see, how many did you get?
5.
You both got 5? So is it a fair share?
Yes.
And let's
Do
wait.
we eat or not?
Not yet. And how many did you both get?
No, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You have 5, and how many do you have?
5. How many fingers are on your
5. So, right, you have 5 fingers on your hand, and there's 5 goldfish here. Now, you can eat one. And if you don't want to eat one, you can hand it to me. So eat one. Okay. Yeah. You want to eat it? You don't have to if you want to. And how many are you left with now?
4. 3. So we can eat one and
4.
get one.
Nope, don't eat any more yet. Now, take your 4 and put it as your whole number on top.
And
Take
then we're
4.
gonna get some, and then we're gonna flat it down to the bottom, and then we're equal 3 equals 4.
Now, I want you to decompose your 4.
Oh.
That's okay. Decompose your 4. Good. Use your 4 and decompose it. Use your 4 and decompose it. Not yet.
Don't eat this.
Good. What's another way you could do it?
By eating 2?
Put the 4 back to the top as your whole. So how many do we have in the whole?
4. 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Right. And what's another way we can make 4?
Like this, put them all.
You can do that. Let's look. Let's see. What did she do?
She put all her 4 over here.
So, what number sentence would that make?
4.
Plus how many?
4.
Plus how many do you have on this side?
0. 4 plus 0 is 9.
Equals, and what's our total? How many do we have?
4.
Oh. Good. So what did you just figure out?
4.
Plus? Plus what?
0.
Equals, how many is it do we have total?
4. This here.
Good. What's another way? What's another way of putting our 4 as our what? 4 is our, you take your, what do you have up top? And put it into parts. So at the top we have it.
I'm gonna make sure they scratch it apart.
Okay, so let's work with our secret number, which is? What's our secret number? 4. Put it to the top. And figure out another way.
You know,
We have 2 and 2 parts. We've done 4 and 0 parts. What's another way?
Oh, Miss Taylor. Miss Taylor, you know if you slide down where the salt is at, it's gonna get salt on here, so we don't slide them down where the salt is at.
Very good. So I like that this group here, they did 3 and what? What else did you do?
3
So what's a number sentence you could make with that?
4. 3 and 1 equals 4.
Good. And why? How did you get 4? How did you know that it was 4?
Because I put them over there. Because 2 right here.
And if there's 2 on this side and 2 on this side, it makes 4.
It makes 4, but you said there's how many over here?
3.
And how many over here?
1,
So how many do you have all together?
I want to eat mine now.
Yes, and Matt, what is that? Equals?
Three. No, it's not don't eat the little board. Try it.
Count.
Four. Don't eat.
And plus that 1 equals, if you were to slide it back up.
3 plus.
What did you figure out?
3 plus 3 equals.
3 plus,
3 equals 6. 6 plus.
how many do you have total?
3 1 plus 1 4 equals 4.
Good. Now,
Can we eat them so we can do 5?
not yet. Put your number to the
Top. Very top. More.
and now
You get 1.
everyone gets 1 more. Now, how are you going to compose this number? So you have your, look up here. You have your, what's at the top? Hold to the
Breaking it
heart.
apart. You can do it like this.
And what is that? How many?
2 plus
2
3
plus-
equals 5. 2 plus 3
How many is
equals
it?
3.
Equals?
We're going to eat it.
What's your total? Count. Let's see, count.
Miss Tyler, you want to do 5.
Good. Show me what you have.
2 plus 3 equals 5.
Good. And how did you get 5?
Because, because you said it. No, because I'm 5 years old.
Okay, that's a good connection. But how many do you have total?
2 plus 3 is 5. Altogether, 5.
5, because even though we break it into parts down here,
It's still 5.
we still have 5 altogether. Just broke it into parts. Yep,
When you
just
break
like
it
that.
apart, so it's 3 plus 2 equals 4. Or I can. Could we eat them now? No.
What did you have? How many do you have over here? How many do you have over here? How many do you have total?
Why do you say no? 5.
Good. Okay. Push all your goldfish to the top.
Could we about to do another number? What? Could we do 6?
Push it to the top.
What's that?
Now, combine your goldfish with your partner. Partner. And use 1. Put them all together.
Hey, put on with mine. What is it with mine?
And you're going to share this. Now, how many goldfish do you have total?
I'll go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, let's count by sliding that one. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9.
Do you have nectar as well? 9?
But
How
I
can-
have now.
No, you don't. So is that a fair share?
Yeah, okay.
No? How many would you need to make it fair? And can you make it fair? See if you can make it a fair share.
I think I need 6 more.
You think you would need to add 6 more to make it 9 and 9? That's very smart. That's a good idea. You think you can crush it?
When you crush it,
How many do you have?
I think I want to
And how many do you have?
do it.
So how many do you actually have total then?
Can we crush them?
You have 5 and you have 5.
What's
What's your total?
That's 10.
10. But you told me you had 9 before. So how many do you actually have?
Go, please.
On your bond.
And if you count the total, because those are just our parts, our whole, how many do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes?
6. He still has 6. I took one of his, so now he got 6. Can I have one more? 10.
You have 10 total. Very good.
Can I
You can
have
go ahead and eat your
1,
goldfish.
2, 3, 4. Can I have one more?
How many do you have?
4.
And how many do you have?
6.
6. Is there any way you can make it equal parts with
Like
what you're
one, 2 more.
if you had 2 more, but with just the ones you're given?
If I'm not gonna get to
If I have
You have to share.
If I had one, then that means I would have 5.
If you had one more, you would have 5, right? What if you had one less? How many would you have?
7,
You have how many right now?
6,
If you had one less than 6.
8.
So yeah, count
Jaden not doing this
1,
activity?
2,
Jaden?
3, 4, 5, 6. If I take one away, one less, how many more? So what if you took away 1 and shared it?
Here we go, goldfish.
How many would she then have? How many would Janae then have?
6 and now 4.
How many do you have?
5.
And how many do you have?
5.
Is that equal parts?
Yes.
Good. Now how many do you have total?
4. Judging
Danae, how many do you have total?
we do 5. They got 4.
Look at me. Danae, if you have how many?
4. 5.
And you have how many?
5.
How many do you have all together? Your parts are
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
show me it as a whole.
Hey, he was messing up my goldfish.
How many do we have together as our whole?
He's okay.
How many do we have together as a whole?
Simon, do you know what decompose?
10.
Good.
Hey, he got one of mine.
You can go ahead and eat your goldfish now. Good.